So here's our Boondockers Welcome site. Boondockers Welcome or Harvest Host. It's a combined effort now, a combined app. And this is the yard. There's an RV way in the distance, and then the trailer, and then here's our van. Hi, I'm Wade.
And I'm Lorraine.
And we are
on the off-ramp.
And in today's video, we stay at a Harvest Host / Boondockers Welcome site near Fort Myers, Florida.
Red tide kept us away from the beaches, so what we decided to do is check out some hikes in the area and find out what it means to get to near some wildlife.
Seeing some local critters and walking alongside the alligators.
Yeah, that was scary. Join us for that.
We're in hurricane damaged Fort Myers area, and we found a great Harvest Host. A woman who has room for a couple of RVs in her yard. She lives in this country property with her kids, and she's allowed us to park our van here for 3 days. We can use our generator as needed, as there's no power, but it is, well, during the daytime it was 31 degrees Celsius. Right now it's 6:15 and it's about 28 outside.
Wade and I joined Harvest Host Boondockers Welcome, which is a program that basically allows self-contained travelers to overnight at unique locations. And in this case, we're at a Boondockers Welcome, a personal yard, where they allow us to park there for free and to enjoy their surroundings. Wade's doing goat voice imitations. Come on, talk their language, hon.
Really? It was a real goat.
I think there's feed on that pail there that you can feed the goats with.
Hey, buddy. Oh, you don't want to get touched. Okay. You say hi? Hi. Hello.
That's the entrance to this Harvest Host. There's our spot that we parked. Dry camping. We moved our chairs into the shade for this morning while we ate our breakfast. It's a pile of wood that they're clearing for being able to have fires, and so last night we actually sat around this fire with the couple that live in the escape, and we just all sat around the fire and visited last night for a couple hours. It was interesting. It was fun. And now Wade and I are going to go out exploring, clean up our breakfast dishes and get out. We'll go do some stuff.
We are entering Corkscrew, and Alvin, this is for you, but I think we're on a gator hunt.
I think we're gonna get one, but take a look at all the sightings that people have seen today. These are the kind of birds, and so it's kind of fun to...
Alligator, big and a baby.
Oh, okay, good.
Cardinals.
All right, we're ready to do this.
All right.
And it's a boardwalk the whole way.
It's a boardwalk all the way. So this looks very, very nice, actually.
No roots to trip over.
No roots to trip over. Okay, so we are on we're on our hike, and here we go.
There's other people here, so it looks like it's a popular place to be. So this park gives us a bit of an Everglades view of things going on in this area of Florida. I think we're going to get to see just a lot of the foliage and a lot of the birds.
Yeah,
already saw a red cardinal fly by, right?
South Florida, near Naples.
So we kind of Googled on our way here, what should we do near Naples? And because of the red tide, we were not really anxious about heading out to the beach again. So I feel like this was a good alternative for us. So when the railing gets in the way, the tree just grows right around it. Too cool. Okay, we might have a book along that might identify this tree, but it looks like a birch clump, but the leaves have a maple leaf kind of a look to them.
And it's not quite as papery.
So what is it, Wade?
I don't know. Looking for results. I don't think we have enough internet connection here.
Oh, shoot. So did you take a picture of it at least so we could figure it out?
I did.
Okay.
We can look on the book too.
So we can hear lots of birds. Sometimes we're in the sunshine, sometimes we're in the shade. This area here is known as the wet prairie. I mean, you could almost be in a prairie in Manitoba, except those
palms.
Those palms that are growing in the middle of everything.
Oh, the palm fronds.
The palm fronds. And if we hear birds, but we look hard to see them, checking out, I don't know, some kind of plant that's growing in the branches of the trees, plants that are growing off of the trees, like a bromelade or air plant or
Off
something.
the trunk.
We'll have to look in our booklet and find out for sure. I think there's one high up in that tree there, but hard to see.
We'll show you a photo of another one.
Yeah, Wade has photos of them. He's huge. That poor frog, it's been going on for a while.
Well, there's a snake eating it or something. Yeah.
So the frog is in the mouth of a snake. Come on, frog. Keep fighting. It's going to disappear into the snake's
Oh
mouth.
yeah, there you can see the snake's mouth now.
Gary.
Snake's mouth coming out,
Yeah.
coming up, back in the snake.
Yeah.
Back in the frog.
Oh my God, look at this.
It's
You
like
have a picture of it?
a lot of LJ here in the water. Only that log there.
So she was
It's
having
not.
computer problems during the permits. So fix it.
Can you see them?
Yeah. No, I can't now.
Oh. We stayed in a campground in Tampa and it was overrun by raccoons. It was everywhere. You couldn't leave a crumb of bread on a table, unless you wanted to see them, of course. These were skittish compared to those. Have you guys seen an alligator here yet today?
No, but they're everywhere, even the side of the street.
Oh, come on.
You guys were wrong.
No way.
Oh, down the street, there's bird rookery. Like literally, as you leave this road here, it's completely wild.
Just
Sometimes
Google
they,
it, Crew Bird Rookery. It's way better than this place and it's free.
the
But it's really
alligators are
wild.
on
Like
the,
you're not on the boardwalk, you're
you're
out there
walking
with
on path, but the alligators
this time of year it's
come.
dry enough to walk without getting
Okay.
your feet wet.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes the trail gets closed if an alligator decides to lie down across the trail. You
Bird?
take
Crew bird
yeah,
rookery.
take your
It's
chances. You
literally
either
like
jump over the
fall.
alligator or you just wait until it moves.
So you guys
It's
are from
very
here.
wild. Oh yeah, we live down the street.
Oh, okay.
It's very wild. You see all kinds of stuff there.
Oh, really?
Not a lot of people go there, so the animals.
Because it's what, too wild, or people are
It's
nervous?
too wild. People
You can-
get nervous.
You can take your bike there too if you're into that kind of thing. Anyway, just go to Crew Bird Rookery.
Okay.
It's after you leave here because they're open whenever, sunrise to
Maybe
sunset.
we won't get out of our van, though. We'll just look through the window.
No, they have a little more.
There's a boardwalk first,
Oh,
and then at the end of the boardwalk,
Yeah, there's family.
there's a little family of raccoons over there. You see the tail?
unlawful to feed, entice, disturb, or take any wildlife, including alligator. Well, that's a good warning.
Yeah, and we were going to take an alligator.
Yeah.
Never.
Put it on the roof of our van.
Yeah.
So this trail right now looks pretty boring, but already when we've got here, it's been lots of birds.
19-kilometer trail.
We're not going 19 kilometers, are we?
No.
Because I quit right here. Okay. All right, we'll see what we see. Crew Bird Rookery Swamp is a free swamp area that's apparently we've just been told by other Canadians that we're going to see lots of gators here. And we were recommended to come here from a local couple who was just on the boardwalk with us that we paid for. Isn't that right, Wade? So this one's free and we're guaranteed to see gators. I am so nervous and I'm not sure I want to get down there and see this. I'm a little nervous. But we'll keep our distance, and apparently there's an area, a pond, where there's lots of babies. So we're looking forward to that. Check that out. Hear leaves moving. Hear the wind through the trees. Oh, walking alongside this creek on this pathway. There's lots of other people here too. Bikes ahead of us stopped, so I don't know if they saw something, but don't think we'll have to go far to see our gators. Oh, that's beautiful.
Well, she was on the trail at one point. Hey, buddy. Oh, and the baby was still there too. She's in a good mood today. She's not hissing at anyone. That's solid. That's always good when she's in that
I have no idea. Okay.
Let sleeping gators sleep. We're at the Crew Rookery Bird Sanctuary, I think it's called, or Crew Bird Rookery, and on an alligator hunt. We saw one nice big one already with a bunch of babies nearby.
We didn't see the baby.
We didn't see the babies, but we were told there's babies nearby. Every stick, every noise. We have a large lake or marsh or something up ahead. We're going to head to there, and apparently they're sunning themselves on the shore there, so we'll see.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
She got babies on the back of
Yeah. Here's them all.
Don't mess with her, she'll be fine, but
Yeah, this is as close as I get, which could be close enough.
yeah, she makes a big splash, we'll all be out of here.
Don't worry, I'm the slowest.
Alright.
You don't have,
That's what you don't have to be the fastest. Just
outrun the first one.
Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I see at least 4 babies in there.
We love it that you are watching our channel.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so and ring the bell and you'll get notifications of future videos. And please take the time to comment. We'd love to hear from you.
And watch our next video. We're going to Tillis Hills Campground, and a local Florida person told us it was one of their best kept secrets.
And it was a beautiful campground.
Yeah, join us for that one.
Until then,
Hold your plans loosely.